Hello, my name is Andrew Pfaff, and I am the owner and founder of White Elephant Power. I am seeking $90,000 for a 10% stake in my company. As an Eagle Scout, I've been camping my whole life. I love spending the night outside in the tent with some of my closest friends. Hiking, canoeing, and camping all help me get close to the outdoors. But I always found a problem with charging my phone. I had bought solar chargers before, but it was too difficult to keep moving the charger with the sun. I also tried strapping it to my backpack for long hikes, but wouldn't exactly work. So I came up with White Elephant Power's main product, a portable charger that can charge from solar, water, and thermal power, allowing the user to charge anywhere, anytime. It comes with a small fan propeller that is spun by rushing water rolling through it from any stream, and a small, lightweight solar panel, and a metal container that can hold a fire inside. From the heat of the fire will be transferred into the battery. I plan to sell my products at about $160 per charger, which is a bit above the average charger price, but because of the recyclable materials inside, it costs a little more. During my market research, I found that many people were interested in my product. With the rise in popularity of renewable energy, I am trying to ride the green wave and helping keep harmful emissions down. My mission, as the Boy Scouts have taught me, is to keep the world better than I found it. So I've decided to help use recyclable materials in producing my product. The outdoors are meant to be enjoyed, and my product aims to help that notion. So why invest in my company? I have discovered a niche in the very large camping industry. This niche could open up more possibilities of products that move away from just chargers into many different types of camping materials. Like I said before, this is the new generation of power, and White Elephant can take you there.